Okay, here's my audience. Okay, the oil and gas industry has always been an important and big aspect in America. With the recent desire to become more eco-friendly and focus more on green energy, natural gas has soon become a big contender on a new source of energy. While there is a massive amount of natural gas reserves beneath the surface, a process known as hydraulic fracturing is needed to obtain them. This process has been very controversial, especially among environmentalists, due to the possible hazards it could pose to the environment. However, many people are just very uneducated about the process itself and how many jobs that it has and will continue to provide for the United States. Knowing this information would be really helpful in opening people's eyes to show that this process is really a good thing. So what exactly is hydraulic fracturing? Well, it's a procedure also called fracking that is used to obtain natural gas and oil reserves from a rock formation with low permeability, like shale. After a well is drilled, millions of gallons of water with some chemicals added are pumped down a well at a high velocity. This process causes the rock formation to crack open, allowing the gas or oil to flow more freely to be produced. Today, fracking is used in about 90% of all wells drilled in America. This rock formation, known as shale, lays beneath more than 13 states in America. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, 13 states are currently producing from shale, including Texas, Utah, Wyoming, Indiana, Kentucky, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Michigan, Colorado, North Dakota, and Montana. This rock formation lies beneath all of these states and is currently being used and produced for natural gas and oil alike. Since hydraulic fracturing has become more popular among the oil and gas industry, it's increased job availability throughout the whole country. According to the Ohio Oil and Gas Energy Education Program, over 12,000 jobs have been created just in Ohio alone in the year 2009. Along with Ohio, a study completed by economist Andrew Gray concluded that over 44,000 jobs were created in 2009 in Pennsylvania. And these are only 2 of the states out of the 13 that have had that many job production from shale alone and hydraulic fracturing. So more estimations have been used using a forecasting tool by a couple of companies, including IHS Global Incorporated, and they reported that the shale gas industry would eventually support nearly 870,000 jobs by 2015 in America, and over 1.6 million jobs by 2035. So just from these numbers alone, and there are many, many more states that have these, as seen before, it's clear that using hydraulic fracturing is a very positive thing that could be for America in the future. It can provide jobs now, and it can provide job security for the future for many, many years to come. So this should be a big investment in many companies today, so we can continue to advance the technology and development of using natural gas and shale. And here is my audience again.